Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Uvusi and Unjengaye and Utrina. So it looks like Uvusi is having like a mini quick meeting with Unjengaye, running him through izinto zomsebenzi before him and Utrina head on to the office. But you can see while Uvusi is explaining lezinto, Unjengaye is busy daydreaming akekho lapho, you guys. So Uvusi goes on to say, le esinayo ehlile ama-sales kakhulu futhi, so bengicabanga ukuthi si-ede ke le emkhuluma ngayo. Ngizokushare ama-pictures wakhona phezu kwe-desk lakho e-ofisini. And then Unjengaye just says, fine. Uvusi looks at him like to say, fine, like, are you just going to say fine? Like to everything that I said? But he can catch on ukuthi Unjengaye is not in the mood, and then Uvusi just says, okay. Then Utrina's like, abang ukuthi that's ethoka manje, singaze sibe late sithandwa sam. And then Uvusi's like, all righty ke. Guys, I didn't know kusho ukuthi Utrina ke sekasebenza noVusi, because why is she going with him into the office? But I guess they decided to work together or something like that. But as they're about to head out, Upheteni walks in. And Upheteni is like, oh wow, sinizwile about the fantastic news. And then Bampege, like to say, like, what is the fantastic news? Upheteni goes on to say, so ngidecide ukuthi i-love seminar yami izoba la e-lounge. Like ngizoyishintsha le lounge, ngeke ni-recognize nje, like I'm going to transform it. So Upheteni wants to do a love seminar, you guys, where she's going to be speaking about how her and her husband Unjengaye, how do they juggle love, marriage, and business. Angazi why she's pushing for this when she knows that their relationship is not in a good place. And now she's planning to host this love seminar in her lounge. And then Uvusi goes on to say, yo, that's nice, ma. Sicela ukubaleka nje soze sibe late, ma. And then Upheteni then says, no, akunankinga nihambeni kahle ke. She turns to Unjengaye smiling, excited about her love seminar. But you can see Unjengaye, like, he gets a bit nervous, like, akafuna ukujampisela Upheteni ukuthi sekayazi. Phela last week, guys, the episode ended with Unengelosi telling Unjengaye ukuthi, ay, vele kunjalo, your wife cheated on you. So Unjengaye goes on to say, ngizohamba ngiye kuma associates eGoli. Laba be Royal Range, ngizoflya namhlanje late. I'm just like, is there any truth to this? It looks like Unjengaye is running away. Yay, angabaleke, never come back and leave Upheteni kanjalo. So Upheteni is like, okay, does that mean ukuthi ngeke ube lana, ube khona for the love seminar? Unjengaye is like, no, ngizoba khona. And then Upheteni is like, oh, okay, good. Alright, you got the Sam. She can see ukuthi he's a bit distant. And then Unjengaye is like, yeah, you're right. The scene ends like that. Next scene there we see Uvelepi. She's in the kitchen sitting, Wambambo looking all depressed, and we understand, you guys, phela uSipho last week he broke off the engagement kabuhlungu kanjani in front of Uvelepi's friends. And then Uvuma walks into the kitchen ephethwe umanqoba ke. Uvuma's like, mfana kamkhulu edlalisa umanqoba. He sits down, he's like, hey mntanami Velephi, ubaba uzwile ukuthi kwenzekeleni ephathini izolo. Ungakhathazeki ngezinto ezinje. Uvelephi starts crying, and then she says, kanti mina baba ngihlulwa yini ngiphile impilo enenhloso nje. Ngibe nezinto eziphathekayo nami empilweni yami. Ngizoba ulutho nje, unothing kuze kube nini. And then Uvuma says, uyambona lo bhuti engimphethe? Lo wamletha la emhlabeni. Ayisoze impilo yakho ngani yami yangumnutho esakhona yena umanqoba ngoba uphilela yena phela manje. He goes on to say ukuthi ungamvumeli uNtombela or anyone else for that matter bakwenza uzizwe ngathi wena awunanhloso or awulutho nje empilweni. then uVelaphi uzathi kodwa baba uSipho uproposile nje angikwazi ukuthi ngi-ignore leyo nto and pretend like it didn't happen. Mina uma wangifundisa ukuthi amathuba amakhulu mele ngiwalwele, amathuba amakhulu empilweni mele ngiwabambe ngezandla zombili. UVuma then says uqinisile lapho, kodwa uyafuna ukuthi ngitshele yini engathokozisa uma wakho. It's for you ukuthi ufocuse kuwena, to focus on yourself, on improving yourself ngendlela enganayo umfana ecaleni kwakho. Focus on improving wena wedwa. Just focus on improving yourself. That's what will make uma wakho ajabule. UVelaphi zathi manje ngizokwenza kanjani lokho baba? Then uVuma zathi yazi uma wakho wayenebhizinesi elikhulu lama-cleaners. Yabo, if you can go past where wardrobe, khona suitcase lapho nje, dust it off and you will find your mother's company documents. Ufonela ama-customers uzwe ukuthi athini. UVelaphi like, yazi baba, now that you mention it, ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uma wayefuna vele ukuthi ngithathe iy'ntambo webhizinesi lakhe. Kodwa-ke angazi mina ukuthi ngingaqala ngakuphi. And then uVuma says, funeke siqale kancane uyabo. Ungathathi isikhathi sakho sonke, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi usanda kubuyela etohweni lakho le emgazini. Kodwa ntanga bakho abaphumelelayo bayakwazi ukuthi bebethi babambe itoho and then babe nazo i-side hustles endlini ecaleni. So it's basically informing or advising uVelaphi that, you know what, you can still take up your mother's business and have a side hustle while you are still working. Then uVelaphi zathi ngiyabuza baba, yikuthi nje sengiphoxakele kakhulu, so angifuni ukuthi ngigagamele then ekugcineni futhi izinto ziba wrong or they go wrong, zingasebenzi or zingalungi. And then uVuma zathi ngiyakwazi lokho mntanami. This is just one of the many suggestions ngoba ngiyakwazi wena ukuthi umqondo wakho uyashesha. Izinto ezinhle nje you've always initiated them Velaphi. Yikuthi nje fanele uhlise manje this thing of rushing things and fearing failure. Enye into ke engifuna ukutshela yona, uma wakho wayethanda Velaphi, whether wenze okubi noma wenze okuhle, nathi la ekhaya siyakuthanda. Akufanele ukuthi wenze izinto eyisimanga ukuze sithande. Sithanda uwena mntanami. And then the episode just ends like that. Not the episode, the scene rather ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uVusi and uTrina base ofisini and they are having a conversation. Ingathi lento kanjengaye not been okay imhleli kabi uVusi. So uVusi zakuthanda sami, yazi mina angiyiqondi yonke lento le. I mean sonke lesi sikhathi sinobaba besi right sizwana. Yazi angazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni. Kodwa ke ungenzeka ukuthi ukushintsha kwemudi yakhe ekseni had nothing to do with me. Ngoba napho noma uvele wamthatha wambhekisa le. Uqhina zathi ingakho ke singeke sikwazi ukuphila ngaphansi komusa wababa wakho. Ubaba wakho hlezi elale phenduka sithandwa sami, namhlanje yashisa kusasa iyabanda and asimazi ukuthi uzosibandela nini bese uyasixosha. UVusi like ngiwudlamini mina sithandwa sami. La mina ngaphakathi ugijima igazi lukaSubalukhulu. That means nawe uyilunga lanomndeni. Ukuba khona kwami lana akusilona ilungelo lami lokuzala kuphela, kodwa ngumsebenzi wami. Uqhina then says impilo ayikho yinto ngalendlela ocabanga ngayo. I wish ukuthi ungazibona ukuthi ungenza ngcono kanjani outside of this company. Ungazinikeli inhliziyo yakho yonke kule ndawo engakuboni. uVusi is like ingabe yonke lento is about the fact that angisiyona i-CEO anymore. Then uGcina is like into ekuvimbelayo ukuthi ube yi-CEO yiyona le company le. ungangizwa kabi sithandwa sami, angisho ukuthi ubaba wakho akasithandi, kodwa we are not his favorites and wena-ke you are not his favorite son. Any company la ngaphandle ingajabula ukuba ne-CEO efana nawe, ikakhulukazi inkampani yethu. uVusi then says, yazi sithandwa sami, ngiyazama ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngiyazama, and when I even try harder ubaba avela ngidismise owenja nje. And then uClina's like, exactly, yini ngempela Vusi okumele yenzeke for you to realize ukuthi how important you are, yeah? So kuyisikhathi sokuthi uzimele ube yindoda ke manje. And then the scene ends like that. Now remember guys, when uVusi and uClina did get back together and they reunited, uClina said ukuthi she wanted uVusi to leave his father's company and for them to go and start their own company. Now she's pressing it even more because she knows ukuthi there's a possibility ukuthi uVusi is not even a Dlamini, and what's going to become of them when that news comes out. Obviously he's not going to even have the power or much powers in that Subalkunu holdings company anymore. Next scene, uWenzeni benokwenzo are sitting in his apartment. They're having a conversation. uWenzeni is like unenhlanhla that uSibongile is not me, because if it was me, ngabe kade ngabloka. uWenzo's like, hayi bo Wenzeni, le article lena akuyona iphutha lami. And then uWenzeni is like, hayi Kwenzo, Wenzo usho kanjani kumuntu ukuthi uyamthanda bese emva kwalokho wenza isingathi aka-exist? Hayi bo, ukhulunya nge-ex yakho nokuthi wena uzama ukufocusa kuwena. Awucabange nje, if uSibongile said that to umfana wasesikolweni sakhe ukuthi hayi mina I'm just focusing on myself, wena bawuzozizwa kanjani? And then uWenzo's like, yeah phela iphutha alikho lapho Wenzeni. uWenzeni then says, hayi bo, musuqamba amanga Kwenzo. uKwenzo then says, Wenzeni, la ngizama ukuprotecta uSibongile futhi bengingafuni ukumfakela amehlo abantu. uWenzeni says, oh, wase wabona ukuthi kungcono ukuthi umfakele i-attention engasile. Awuyixaxise kahle Kwenzo lento because mina angiyizwa. Then uKwenzo says, yazi ukhuluma nawe Wenzeni kuyafana nokuthi ngiyadlala nje. Vele wena awu-understand ukuthi media isebenza kanjani. Yazi ngiyafisa ukuthi wena nabo bonke laba bantu, especially uSibongile, ninga-understanda ukuthi la angizami uku-acta like I'm single. uWenzeni then says unenhlanhla-ke ukuthi awukho single ngoba phela maningi nje amadoda la ngaphandle angcono kunawe. Any woman would have taken offense Kwenzo emva kwale statement oshilo on the article. And then the scene ends like that. Next scene guys, uMxolisi, he is at some restaurant. He's speaking with the waitress. He's telling the waitress ukuthi ngizokunikeza isignal megafika then ungilethele imbali. Then iwine ungayikhiphi for manje. Don't take out the wine manje, uzoyikhipha megafikile. And then the waitress is like, okay, kulungile bhuti, ngizokwenza njalo. uMxolisi takes out his phone and then he calls uNomfundo. He's like, Ndlovukazi, usurate angithi. uNomfundo's like, how? Kodwa bowuthe 6 to 6:30 nje na. uMxolisi then says, hayi bo, uyangisola pho yini? Ngi-excited, sengijahe kabi ukukubona. uNomfundo's like, oh, now I'm also excited. And then uMxolisi is like, okay, ngizobona later ke. And then he hangs up the phone. You guys, you can see ukuthi uMxolisi, he takes out a ring. So kushukuthi is planning on proposing guys to uNomfundo. That time uNomfundo guys, she's busy entertaining uNjengaya. uNjengaya is there by her house, busy going through his stress. I'm just like, Nomfundo, you've got a man who loves busy uNjengaya oshadile. Like really? Moments later guys, next thing we see uNokuzana uMxolisi getting a phone call from uNomfundo, and Nomfundo's like, sithanda sami ngiyaxolisa, can we please move the date and make it to another day? angicabanga ukuthi ngizophumelela. Umkalisi is confused, is like, hayibo, but you were excited njena about like our date namhlanje. Ujike buphi? Unomfundo is like, I promise I will make it up to you, Sithandwa Sabi, and whatnot. I don't even know. We don't even know the reasons why she's canceling. I'm just thinking she's canceling because she wants to be there and be a supportive structure for Unjengai. You can see Umkalisi is disappointed, but ayikho into azoyenza, you guys. Next scene again. Uvelephi, she's in the lounge. Usangweni is busy with his stuff, and then Usipho comes in. When Uvelephi sees Usipho walking into the lounge, uboreke. So Usipho gets in, he greets Usangweni, is like, awusibali, sibali kuhamba njani. Usangweni is like, awusibali. They shake hands there. Usipho's like, Sithandwa sami, bengisacela ukuthi sikhulume. Uvelephi is like, angazi ukuthi uze ubani lana. Ngoba mina angidingi ekuduzane kwami, angifuni ngisho ukukhuluma nawe Sipho. Usipho's like, ngiyaxolisa ngalento eyenzekile izolo ebusuku Sithandwa sami. Uvelephi is like, hayibo, awungizwa yini? Ungangithinti futhi. Usipho's like, cha baby, it was not my intention uthi ngikuhlaze kanjeyana baby, uyazi. And then Uvelephi is like, Sipho, angazi ukuthi yini okumele ukuthi ngiyisho. Ukuze uyizwe lento engikutshela yona ukuthi angikudingi eduze kwami. Usipho like, babe, uyamazi ukuthi ubaba unjani nje, uvuma wokusini. Zake wena mfana wakamntombela. And then Usipho like, sawubona baba. Uvuma then says unesibindi. Unesibindi sokubeka umqondo wakho la kwambambo emva kobuhlungu obudalele ingane yami Uvelephi. Uvelephi akabadingi abantu abanjengawe eduzane kwakhe, hlukana naye. Usipho like, hawu kodwa baba. Uvuma then says, angithi bowujwayele Uvelephi lana. Anisazani ke manje. Hamba, ungaphindi ubeke umqondo wakho la kwambambo. Usipho just stands there in disbelief. Uvuma then says, hamba, manje. Yikini kwambambo. And then Usipho just walks out like that. Uvelephi is like, ngiyabonga baba, besingekho isidingo, so isidingo sokuthi umele kanjalo. Angithi nawe uyakwazi ukuthi ngiyintombi endala ekwaziyo ukuzimela. And then Uvuma says, ngiyakwazi lokho, kodwa lona, he needed someone to be stern with him. And then Uvelephi goes on to say, baba sengicabangile, ngizolithatha, I'm going to take ibhizinesi likama, ngizoliqhuba, and I'm ready to do this. And Uvuma's like, wow, mntanami, ngiyajabula nje. And then the scene ends like that, guys. Next scene, we see Ukwenzo, it's like he's doing another interview with that very same journalist who wrote whatever in the article. But this time the journalist is asking, so Wenzo, uzizwa kanjani that people might be saying ukuthi wena uthole award just because uyingane yasibalukhulu and whatnot? Doesn't it make you feel like it's taking away from your hard work? So Wenzo uyaphendula lapha is like, I know many people bayibona as nepotism, kodwa mina ngiyibona as indlela of breaking generational curses. Yeah, he was answering in a nice way. Kanti unjengayo uhleli kwaNomfundo in Nomfundo's house. He's listening to that interview. So uNomfundo walks into the lounge she walks into the lounge and then she's just like, Ukwenzo uyisimangaliso nje sengane. Unjengayo wipes his tears so that uNomfundo doesn't notice. And then uNokuzana unjengayo then says ukuthi kanjani kodwa. Like, what if there's a possibility ukuthi Ukwenzo akusiyona indodana yami? Kodwa Nomfundo, every fiber in my being iyangitshela ukuthi Ukwenzo yingane yami. Ukwenzo uyimina. Ukwenzo is ambitious like me. He does things like me. Kodwa ngizoba yini Nomfundo if it comes out ukuthi Ukwenzo is not really my son? Guys, then the scene ends like that, and that's where the episode ends. Unjengai, at this point, he is questioning everything. I thought he was just going to question the fact that if Uvus is his son, because Abazwani, but now the devil is whispering thoughts into his head that kungenzeka ukuthi ayibo zonke lezi ngane ukuthi akuzona zakhe, and that's a tough thing that he's going to have to deal with, you guys. Let's see as the week goes on with how does Unjengai deal with these things that are playing in his mind. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.